Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right repo, branch, and permission to file issues. Once done, reproduce the problem with minimal steps so maintainers can follow. Make sure to collect environment details, OS, browser, or runtime versions, and copy error logs or stack traces. Attach a screenshot and a concise code example that fails. This first step saves time and avoids back and forth. It helps you frame the problem so others can act quickly. You then craft the issue body. Start with a one-line summary, then a short paragraph explaining impact and context. Next, provide numbered reproduction steps and show expected versus actual behavior. Include commands, inputs, and outputs. Paste logs and code blocks and add screenshots inline. Also, use the repository's issue template fields, choose labels or components if available, and suggest assignees. This structured format speeds triage and makes it straightforward for contributors to begin fixing. You finish by actively following up. Respond to maintainers' questions, run tests, and validate patches in a forked branch. When you submit a pull request, reference the issue with fixes hash number, include tests, and ensure CI passes. Once merged, confirm the issue is closed and communicate any migration steps. If progress stalls, post a status update or close with clear next steps. Troubleshooting tip: if CI fails, run the same matrix locally or in a reproducible container to isolate flaky vs real failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.